guys? You're welcome back to ReviveX MMO, Home of Trading Strategy. I'm here again today with another banger, another banger. With this strategy, I promise you that your trading is going to change. It has at least an 88% accuracy based on how long I've tried it. So first of all, let's look at how it works. Do not be in a hurry to skip through this video and come by later asking me how it's done, the zoom level and whatnot. You can see I'm completely zoomed out. I am completely zoomed out. Actually, the zoom level does not matter if you follow the right procedure to it. So first of all, before we take buys or sells, you need to see that the overall time frame, what it is telling you. Right now on the daily time frame, what we can see is that price is presently trading above our moving average on the screen. Price is trading above our moving average on the screen, as you can see. So in this instance, we would favor more of buys. Now you would see that if you move around like this right here would try and repaint, but there is a workaround. I'll tell you that around in the video. So now we have established already that we're going for buys because price is currently above the moving average. So what we're going to do is locate how we can take these buys from the higher time frame, then go to the smaller time frame and wait for confluences. So what do we do now? As you can see, I have two lines marked out. These are areas of support and resistances, or resistance turn support. As you can see, this part right here. Sorry, I'm going to zoom into it so you see it. As you can see, this part right here. You see, it was a resistance. And why do we call it a resistance? As you can see, price came here, failed to close above, came down, came back, failed to close above, wicked downwards again, came back, tried again, failed, came back, and on the second move, it broke this zone. So this zone now was a strong resistance, and remember that this strong resistance was on the higher time frame. Now notice that a rejection like this on the daily time frame is no small rejection. You can see it right here. So we know that once price breaks above this area is likely to hold price. So what do? Let me see if I can mark this out around that zone. So this now has become our support. Now this will fix our problem of repainting, mind you. So now I usually go as slow as even the 4 hour to take these zones of resistance. So let's see if we can pick it out. So this is it right here on the 4 hour time frame. But let's go back to the daily and try to mark it out some more. Okay, I already have my zone marked out there. Um, let me see if I can mark it out with this. With this. So now on the 4 hour time frame, we have come here to identify this zone again. So what do we now do? So now we have established that this is a support area. I take my entries on the 5 minutes. And now let's go back as slow as the 5 minute. Now this is going to be quite a job. Quite a job. This is not that area now, is it? This is not the area because I don't have my... Give me a minute. Let me see if I can fetch it for you. All right, guys. The 5 minutes was way too far for me to get into, but I think I can give you what you need to know based on the 1 hour. Let's see how it goes. Let me see if I can do that with a 1 hour, or let me try the 30 minutes. See if it's doable. Okay. Yeah, right. So now what we're looking at, hence all confluences have been met. Now you pay attention to this envelope right here. Be sure that this envelope had hit the 10 level or even the 5 level. Now it won't repaint because right now for sure we know that this is a support area, a strong support. But for the fact that price comes in here, we do not just take a buy. You know what we do? Now watch, this is a line we use to mark out our strong support area. So you would have to wait for price to do this. Notice price dilly-dallied around here, then broke this moving average. And let's zoom in to see. Now, at this zoom in, we can see clearly what price is doing here. If you on the lower time frame of maybe 15 minutes, it's just this thing is might be too difficult to locate. Let me see, I just want to really show you what I tend to see. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, let's see. But actually 5 minutes is my thing. Okay, but we can still take it from here. So what I look out for at this point, once price breaks above this moving average, what we look out for is an engulfing candle. Now that engulfing could have happened in the 5 minute time frame, but locating the 5 minute time frame is quite a task right now because the timing is quite low. So what you do is wait for an engulfing around that point, around this point. And if you don't see an engulfing, wait to see a recurring candles, something like this here, recurring on top of the moving average. And once you see that, you have confirmed that the trend is about to change. And as you can see, yes, price came for a retest on the moving average. It could have been another entry. See a retest, and look at that move. Your stops would have been right below here. Look at that move. Look at that move. And at this point, once it came and closed below the moving average after hitting the 90 or the 95 level, you exit that trade. That's it. It's that simple. It's that simple. Now let's see another entry we have here again. Because of time, I may not locate a support level, but let's see. Now look at that. Look at that. You see, it broke above this. The envelope is right here. You see recurring candles, three recurring candles that are green, that are all green. Now it goes the same for a sell. Now your stops would have been right below here, the last low that was formed. The last low that was formed right here. And then look at what price did. It shot up. Imagine how many pips that would have been, and this is 15 minutes time frame. So this is another gem that has come to you. I want you to watch this, enjoy it, and give me your feedback on the comment section. Now it's Saturday. It's Saturday, so I can't actually take a trade with it. I would have taken a few trades for y'all to see. I usually make my videos on the weekends, so it makes it quite difficult for me to take entries because that is actually when I'm a bit free to do these things. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Peace.